What's the story, folks? Paul here from Bid4autos. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest myths in the car world. You do not need a dealer license to get a great deal on a car. You just need to know where to look and how to move quicker than the next guy. So if you're tired of Facebook Flakes, Craigslist scams, and overpriced dealers, this video's for you. Let's start with Facebook. Yeah, we all know about Facebook Marketplace. It's a mess. But it's still useful if you play it smart. The trick isn't to scroll endlessly like a lunatic. It's to post your own ad. Cash paid today for your car. You'll catch people before they list or right after their car sits for 2 weeks with no bites. And here's a gem for you. Best time to buy? Sunday. Banks are closed. Sellers want cash. If you got it, you're winning. Still, Facebook's just one tool in the toolbox. Let's talk about tow yards. Every time a car gets towed and isn't picked up, it legally has to be auctioned off. Pick up a newspaper or Google your local tow yards. Check the public notices section and mark every auction on a calendar. Now don't show up throwing money at the first one like a tourist at a Vegas slot machine. Go watch. Learn the vibe. Some yards let you start the car. Some won't even give you keys. It's a gamble, sure, but a smart one if you know what you're looking at. Next up, pawn shops. Yes, really. They don't just sell guitars and dodgy watches. They also loan on cars, bikes, even boats. Walk in and ask, do you have any vehicles for sale? You'll be surprised how often they say yes. I don't buy tons from pawn shops myself, but I've picked up a few solid leads now and then. And if you're in a city with more shops than sense, it's worth the ask. Now here's one I really like. Title loan companies. They repossess cars constantly, but not all of them go to auction. Sometimes they just want them gone. So what do? I show up, introduce myself, and say, I buy cars. Keep me in mind if something comes up. Sometimes I bring donuts, sometimes just a card and a smile. It doesn't always work, but it's helped me land a few off-market cars over the years. And that's where the margins are. You don't need 50 a month. You just need one good one at the right price. And finally, Copart Select. Not the salvage yard mayhem you might think. They've got clean title repos, fleet cars and trade-ins. Many with decent miles and no major issues. You don't need a dealer's license to bid. Just create an account, filter by Copart Select, and look for that green, yellow, or red light tag. Green is usually safe. Yellow means you better read the fine print. Red is for the bold or the brave mechanics out there. Alright, let's recap. Post your own cash for cars ads. Don't just wait around. Look up tow yard auctions in your area. They're out there. Check with pawn shops. You never know what's sitting out back. Introduce yourself to title loan offices. You might get the first call next time they repo something. And give Copart Select a look. You'd be shocked what's hiding in plain sight. These are real-world methods I've used myself, not theories. You don't need a lot of money or a license, just a bit of hustle and a few good connections. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What's the best car deal you've ever found? And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more videos on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.